Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Barclays for Autopay on your credit card. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Barclays website. Once the home page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you have forgotten your login details, use the Forgot Username or Password link to reset them. After logging in successfully, locate the Account Services section on the dashboard. Click on Manage Payments to access your payment options. In the Manage Payments section, look for the Autopay Setup option and click on it. You will now see a list of your eligible accounts. Select the credit card for which you want to set up Autopay. Choose your preferred payment amount. You can select the minimum payment, full balance, or a custom amount. Next, select the payment frequency. You can choose to set up Autopay monthly or according to your payment timeline. Then, select your payment date. Ensure that the date aligns with your billing cycle. Now, enter your bank account details if prompted. This will be used for Autopay debits. Review all the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, click the Set up Autopay button to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your Autopay has been successfully set up. To ensure that your Autopay is functioning correctly, periodically check your account statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.